Okay, so we have a midweek tournament report, and we only have like a few lists for this video, but I think I want to keep share this one. Okay, first we have Salaman Gate. I'm not sure if I'm already shared this one on or not, but this is like Salaman Gate with Mentec Kaiser Colosseum, and he Mentec evenly. I think this evenly is similar like Super Poly in theory. So this is cut when you cut second, and it because this meta impump and failure is not really good anymore, especially in rescue S matchup. So that's why if you cannot use Super Poly, you can use evenly instead. Because if you use Super Poly, you need like two more space in your extra deck, or you need two space in extra deck or set deck if you have Super Poly inside deck. And this is good replacement. This evenly, especially against Rescue S, because like I said before, Impump and Valor is useless against Rescue S, especially because they always summon Little Knight before Turbulence, so Valor and Impump is useless. And for replacement Impump and Valor, he used Troll. Troll is decent actually, especially decent against Rescue S, but Troll is really strong against Underdeck. Let's say Fire King, Magician, Silent Force, and Under else. And you can also play Nibiru because um, some lists also main take Nibiru, and this deck is um, really weak against Nibiru, and you can at least use one Nibiru and for this crossout target. And yeah, I like this idea. Set an extra, he played two Princess and Lancia. Lancia is really strong against new deck like Ritual Peace and Infernoid. Gospel is decent against any deck who use Jabel, but it's this is like one, yeah, just trade one on one card. This is like tier list from this Haketaka full tour. Rescue is like just the best deck following with um, Fire King, Salamangreat, and Silent Force. We also have like Unchained, Snake Eye, and Magician. And last we have like Naturia and Adaman. This is not cover all meta deck. This is like in local, I think. Next we have Yubel. He played Cartesia, Nadir, Super Poly. He also played Kaiser Colosseum inside deck. Yeah, you can use this for reference if you want to play this Yubel. And this is more likely uh, control. Next we have Volcanic. I believe this is not FTK build. Next, Genek. You can use this for reference. This deck is really weak against throw and lock board, so that's why it's a bit hard to play this in meta right now. Next Infernoid, 60 cards. 3 Trust, 2 Crash, this is really crazy list. Rationing, 3 Rationing, 3 Master Gate, 3 Evenly. You can use this for reference too. 3 Point Fire, 3 with this Wanted. Okay, so because he played Matsumek, I believe this is FTK build. And Droplet inside tech is really strong too. Salaman Grid with the bug and Fiery Mantech, Caster Colosseum in Mantech too. Next we have Mikanko, and he played one Dimensional Fissure. Only one, I think it because you don't want to open multiple Dimensional Fissure in hand. And it because let's say if you get second, if you open multiple Dimensional Fissure, this card is really bad, so that's why he only play one and have another 2 Fissure inside deck. Let's say when you going first, you can put these 2 Fissure in main deck. Next, weekly from, I'm not sure where it is. It's 44 players. I think it's like either China or Taiwan maybe. First place we have Silent Force, 2 Silent Force, 1 Fire King, 1 Ice Barrier, Silent Force Pure. He may take 3 Extravagance, another Silent Force. This one he played Nadir. This is second place. Next we have Ice Barrier. This is top 4. I still not test this deck yet, but I will try to make video about this one too. Okay, so if you don't know about this, this is alternate art from Medallion of Ice Barrier. So he only have 2 alternate art and 1 original art. This card is like reinforcement of the army for this Ice Barrier. So you can search any Ice Barrier monster, and it's not per turn, so card is really good. He may take Spiritual Water away, and this is another thing. This is like card does suit for this deck or for water deck, because you can I believe you can check opponent hand and discard 1. Next, Fire King with Snake Eye. Next, Rescue S. This is like standard build for Rescue S. And if you don't know about this, this is like Cyber's Ignister or something. You need 1 Dark Monster plus 1 Link Monster, I believe. So you can use like SP and 1 other monster. I'm not really remember about this card effect. Lancia for like Infernoid or something else. And yeah, as you can see, this Rescue S is not play failure, but he still played Impump. I personally don't play Impump anymore. Yeah, I think it's like preference, because Impump is really bad in mirror match too. Next, Snake Eye, Super Wally in main deck, Jetkin Crow in main deck. Next we have Infernoid. This is not FTK build. Next, this rescue is from list before, from right 10, and we have magician, human tech gamma, and he only played one valor and one impulse, because you can use it for cross out target. Secret Village plus Majesty is really strong, especially when you're going first and you can avoid card like Super Poly against this deck. This Secret Village and Majesty is like mandatory in this deck if you want to play this deck. Another Rescue S, Snake Eye, next Magician. I believe this list is from before. Yes. Next from China we have Magician with Red Raptor. Interesting. I think he put Red Raptor because you can really easy to exit rank 4. This is interesting actually. Just a fresh build if you board with regular build. Next, I believe this is Ice Barrier. Next, Super Heavy with Exodia. I think he can, yeah, the idea is same to spam this card. I forget this card name. If this card is special, you can search Spellcaster, I think. Spellcaster normal. Next, branded 60 cards. Next, Red Raptor. Silent Force with Necros. Ice Barrier. TTT. Next we have Ice Barrier. Next, Snake Eye with Jet Synchro. And yeah, I think that's it. Not much list, but yeah, there is a lot some new deck. Let's say Ice Barrier, Raptor, Infernoid. We don't have a Ritual Beast for this midweek, but I already share about Ritual Beast, and I think I want to share more about Ritual Beast combo or build. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.